Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you are well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend resting and staying safe, and that you are ready for a new week of guided reading. This week we're going to be looking at a new book, but first let's just remind ourselves of our reading strategies. Don't forget you can use any of these strategies to help you, but the ones that I want us to focus on are our eagle eye, so that's when we look at pictures to help with clues with a word, or our stretchy snake, and that is when we stretch out the sounds in a word and we go back and say the sounds all together. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Roof. Roof. You have a go for me? Good job, well done. Let's try it all together one more time. Roof. Roof. Good job, well done. The book that we're going to have a look at this week is called Painting the Loft. So boys and girls, here is what your book looks like on Oxford Owl. Don't forget you have access to this now. Let's have a read. Painting the Loft. The children went to see Gran. They were going to spend the night. We can have some fun, said Gran. Well, be good, said Mum. I have a loft in the roof, said Gran. You can have it as a den. They went up the steps. The steps were too steep for Floppy. Can we paint it? Yes, you can. It's like a tent, said Biff. I can just stand up, said Chip. Gran had some cans of paint. You can paint the loft pink, black and green, she said. I like green best. There are some lumps in this one, said Chip. Mix it in the sink. They went back up to the loft. They had to sand it down. Lots of dust. That was hard, said Chip. Now we can start painting, said Biff. Let's paint this part green, said Biff. Hand me that paint pot, said Chip. I will paint this pink, said Kipper. I have some stickers and blankets for you, said Gran. She put a lamp on the shelf. Let's put up the stickers. One part of the loft had silver stars, one part was pink and green. You can sleep in the loft tonight, said Gran. Yippee! They had lots of fun, said Gran, but they did not sleep a wink. Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you're struggling, you can rewind the video and listen to me read it to you, or down here where the audio button is, Oxford Owl will read it for you. Now boys and girls, you should be onto your Kahoot. After you have finished reading, you can access Kahoot through kahoot.it at Google, or you can download it from the App Store. Your first Kahoot quiz pin is 0367361. Here is what your quiz will look like. To join the game, you need to enter your name, press OK Go, and complete the quiz. When you have finished, don't forget to send me or your class teacher a picture to show us you have completed the quiz. Enjoy and have fun!